Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. Welcome to this tutorial, CapCut PC tutorial. I'm going to show you how you can create a zoom in and zoom out effect for specific portions of your video. So this guide, it's very important to watch this tutorial, this guide, because we'll go through exactly we'll go through the process of editing dynamic, and this were dynamic and eye-catching zoom effects to highlight specific areas of your footage. So make sure you watch this video till the very end. We're gonna use this powerful software, CapCut. And so even if you're a web beginner, whether you're a beginner or experienced editor, this is the perfect tutorial for anyone looking to improve their editing skills. So now let's jump right into this video. So what we have to do first is to decide which part of this portion of this video or where we want to add this zoom in and then zoom out. So first let's add zoom in, select the video. We have to go to video. Then we have here we have scale. So here in scale we have to add a scale, position and position, scale and position. And now we'll move a couple of frames ahead. And now I would like to move to zoom to this part of this video. Now I'll just grab this scale and then I'll grab like this. I'll grab and then I'll move where I want. I'll move here and I'll zoom again a little bit more. And now we have a very simple zoom in. And if now you might say that you want this zoom faster, you can right click here and then select show keyframe animation or Alt and K. And now we we can grab this and zoom in more and just increase this speed of this animation. All right, so make sure you watch this until the very end because that's really important to know how to understand the process. Can really zoom. We can really make this even faster. We can increase the speed so that it's even faster than this. Now look, now it's even faster. But if we want, we can also move the keyframes here, around here. You can also highlight both. No, actually it's not working. Yeah, but anyways, that's still good. But here, now we have the same keyframes here. So you can move the keyframes where you want. And you can also now, if you expand this for Y, for scale, we can add add a curve. We can add a curve here. Now this zooming is a little bit more smooth. Now this zoom. Right? So that's something that you can do. Also for scale, we have to go here and expand. Click here. Now we also have free curve. Now we can move the way we want. So now it's more like this. It depends how you move this curve. Now we can add around here, we zoom in, and now let's zoom out right away, right after we zoom to this portion of this video. But now we want to zoom out. So select the video and then go to here. Now add a keyframe for scale and position. Just move a couple of frames ahead and then zoom out and position the video. Now we have our video. Zoom in and then zoom out. So if you have any additional question or just some questions, let me know related to this video. Let me know in the comment section. I'll answer your questions and also maybe create a part 2. So please let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. And I really hope, guys, you found this tutorial helpful. I really hope you learned something. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.